Take a look at how Sophia Loren looks at 91 and Sharon Stone at 67. What is the secret of their beauty? You may be surprised, but the main ingredients of youth for many stars are olive oil, beer, and ordinary milk. Now you will discover 10 beauty secrets from celebrities that every woman can use. At 67, Sharon Stone looks wonderful and still remains one of the biggest stars on the red carpet. Interestingly, Sharon Stone believes in traditional beauty tips and regularly takes a Cleopatra bath with milk and honey. She says this recipe helps her keep her body in perfect condition. Her skin always stays hydrated and nourished with essential elements. Her second beauty secret is unpasteurized beer. Sharon is not against having a glass or two, but only with good intentions, since unpasteurized beer contains vitamin A, and that is very beneficial for hair and nails. Jennifer Lopez shared a truly interesting and unusual recipe. Turns out that she controls her appetite with grapefruit essential oil. The singer said that when she feels hungry but does not have the chance to eat, she inhales the aroma of the essential oil, and after that, her appetite immediately goes away. Sophia Loren is already 91, yet she still looks stunning and even dares to wear dresses with deep necklines. What is her beauty secret? Sophia Loren goes to bed no later than 9 p.m. and has long stayed away from alcohol and noisy parties. The star believes it is hard to be irresistible if you are lazy. That is why she takes care of herself with remarkable dedication. Every day, she applies olive oil masks to her face and body, wakes up at 5 a.m. and does an active workout. When it comes to food, the star loves to eat, but she recommends eating often, in small portions. Sophia Loren enjoys plenty of vegetable salads, a little meat, and some fruit, and that is all. Claudia Schiffer, one of the most famous blondes in the world and a top model of the 1990s, leads a healthy lifestyle and follows a specific diet. She does not eat sweets or unhealthy foods. Claudia Schiffer says that for breakfast she has fruit, green tea, and orange juice. For lunch, she eats chicken breast, a boiled egg, and a vegetable salad. In the afternoon, she prefers tomato juice, black grapes, and herbal tea. For dinner, she has salad and steamed vegetables. The stunning Italian Monica Bellucci says that she tries not to use makeup at all outside of filming and public appearances. This way, she gives her skin the rest it needs. Monica Bellucci is also convinced that youth and beauty largely depend on relieving stress and relaxing. Once a week, the actress always takes a bath with cosmetic oils. Monica Bellucci says she loves doing this. 45 minutes or even an hour in the bath is priceless time devoted only to herself. The magnificent Elizabeth Taylor did not always lead a healthy lifestyle, and her turbulent romances were hardly helpful for good sleep and inner peace. However, Elizabeth Taylor constantly worked on herself. Every day, the actress finished with a facial massage, which she performed on her own without the help of a cosmetologist. Catherine Deneuve took care of her skin from a young age and was always afraid of the sun's rays. The actress has always believed that the sun is the enemy of good skin. That is why Catherine Deneuve never appeared on the beach without a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen. At the same time, the star has her weaknesses. For example, she has never been able to give up smoking, even though she has tried more than once. Although the whole world considers Catherine Deneuve a beauty, she is very critical of herself and says that it is all about self-care, not natural gifts. She once said that she does not see herself as a very beautiful woman. She sees herself as a woman who looks good. Gina Lollobrigida had a wasp waist measuring 59 centimeters and kept the same size even in her later years. The actress claimed that the secret of her slim figure was moderation in food and regular fasting days. She admitted that she loved Italian cuisine very much, but every weekend she always had fasting days with mineral water and citrus fruits. Gina Lollobrigida also believed that the foundation of a woman's attractiveness is a beautiful bust. That is why she advised always highlighting the bust line and a graceful neckline, and not being embarrassed to wear push-up bras if nature had not given a woman a fuller chest. Marlene Dietrich spent her whole life on a diet that any doctor today would strongly disapprove of. Sometimes the actress would go through an entire day consuming only coffee and water, and that was all. Yet she still had a wonderful complexion. How was that possible? It was likely not only good genetics, but also a cream recipe that Marlene Dietrich made herself. It was called Swan's Down, and the preparation was very simple. Mix 1 egg white, a cup of heavy sour cream, the juice of a small lemon, 50 grams of vodka, and a tablespoon of glycerin. Cindy Crawford's slim figure is entirely her own achievement. From childhood, the model was prone to gaining weight, and that is why she has been fighting extra pounds her whole life. Every morning, she swims in the pool and always takes a mini stepper with her on trips. As for facial care, Cindy Crawford makes her own thermal water, which she uses regularly. The recipe is simple. Pour a mixture of purified water and whole cow's milk in equal proportions into a spray bottle and use it to hydrate the skin throughout the day. Which of these secrets impressed you the most? Sharon Stone's Cleopatra bath? Or perhaps Marlene Dietrich's coffee diet? Or maybe you have your own proven beauty secret passed down from your mother or grandmother. Be sure to share it in the comments. Let us collect the largest treasury of beauty tips that really work together. And of course, if this video was useful for you, support us with a like and subscribe to the channel so you will not miss new episodes.